Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to loop YouTube videos on mobile or on any iPhone or any iOS device or Android device. It really doesn't matter as long as you have the YouTube app on your phone. All you have to do is go over to the YouTube application really quick, open it up. Then as you guys can see, I already have a music video here just playing. It's typically music that you would want to loop anyway, most likely. But all I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you guys actually first before I show you how to do it. Typically, whenever you're watching or listening to a music video, when the video is done, it's just going to go to the end. It's going to show you that restart option, which looks just like this. So instead of having to do that and having to come back to the application and replaying it, all you want to do is you want to click on the save button right here, and then click on change at the bottom. And then what you want to do is click on new playlist. And I don't have a channel on this account, so I'll just click on create channel really quick. So you just want to click on save, just like I did there, new playlist, and then you can just name this playlist loop, for example, and then click on create. Once that's done, you want to click on C list. And then here, you just want to play the song really quickly. And just pause it. And what you want to do here is you want to click on this little loop bar at the top where it says the playlist name and then your name right under it. You just want to click on that to bring down the drop-down menu. And then you just want to click on that little icon at the top left right here, the little arrows going each way. That's going to keep the song playing by itself and looping for you. So then you don't have to keep coming back to here and replaying it again. It'll automatically just continue to loop for you. You could obviously do this with more than one video. You could put 2 videos in your 3 videos and just have those 3 consistently looping over and over again, so you don't have to do it. Anyways, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to loop YouTube videos. Very, very easy to get done. If I was able to help you guys out, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.